Yo, 100 on your foot, 100 on your foot.
Y'all got 100 on my foot.
It's a bet. Money in the ground.
It's a bet. Anybody else want to bet?
Anybody else want to bet? I don't like this shit. I don't like this shit though.
Let's get this shit lit.
90? 90?
It's a bet. Shout out my son, Billy PGM. It's a bet. It's a bet.
20 miles. Nah, that shit going
Nip now, bitch.
Oh, yeah, Ace in his face.
Nip now, bitch. Cameraman, get this fucking nip.
Get that nip. Nah.
Nip, motherfucker, bitch. I'm a motherfucking peso, nigga. Shit, bitch.
Hey, what's little fix, man? M-way shit, man. Free minds, I don't give a fuck about nothing else. If you don't like my niggas, you can suck a big dick, you heard? Hey, yo, I'm on the strip all day. I'm hitting licks all day. Y'all niggas dreaming about bricks all day. I'm really scheming with that fifth all day. I really shoot shit, homie. Y'all talk tough, but don't do shit, homie. I'm brick wall. Y'all can't move shit, homie. Salute that, homie. They shoot at, we gon' shoot back, homie. I keep that strap on me with a Mac on me. Leave you flat, homie. Talking tough on the internet. Getting whacked, homie. I send 100 shots. These niggas pop a doc. These niggas out of luck. These niggas got a sock. ZB got a drop in a lot of pots. I done sold a lot of rocks out a lot of spots. These niggas claim they getting money, getting bands. Till I run up with that 40, it don't fucking jam. Hit him, knock his head off, hit his man. After that, Dan Breeze never hit the can. I heard niggas want me dead out here, cause I'm young, rich, and fly and getting bread out here. They got dang, so I'm screaming fucking feds out here. Shoot shots with that new infrared out here. 30, that'll do 30 niggas dirty. A dirty Harry, why y'all he ain't never scary. Lil Fleece, that's a fly nigga. Told a 4-5 nigga. Fast buck, 745 nigga. Big truck, X5 LI nigga. And for miles that's on my mama, I die nigga. Any nigga talk tough, he can get smacked. Owe me money, kidnap, you won't get that bitch back. Talking crazy nigga, get you whacked on camera. You talking crazy nigga, I smack your grandma. That's word to the street. Yeah, shout out Gunplay City TV too, you already Slow Fleece, bitch.
Yeah, you already know. Shout out GPC.
Free Dang, free
All-Star
Tay, free
Gang.
Miles,
Shout out
free
200 Cocky. Shout out
Eastside, you already
we out here, Eastside, bitch.
You already know.